At the market you buy 3 oranges for every 2 mangoes. How do we write this relationship in mathematics? Today we learn ratios, percentages, and proportion. A ratio compares 2 quantities of the same kind. We write 3 oranges to 2 mangoes as 3:2. The order matters, always read left to right. To simplify a ratio, divide both parts by the same number. 12 to 8, divide by 4, becomes 3 to 2. Always simplify to the lowest whole numbers. A percentage is a ratio out of 100. 25 over 100 equals 25%. The symbol percent simply means divide by 100. Worked example 1. Share 600 francs between Arma and Kofi in the ratio 2 to 3. First, add the parts. 2 plus 3 equals 5 total parts. Arma gets 2/5 of 600, which is 240 francs. Kofi gets 3/5 of 600, which is 360 francs. Check, 240 plus 360 equals 600. Correct. When 2 quantities grow together at the same rate, they are directly proportional. We write y equals k times x, where k is the coefficient of proportionality. Worked example 2. 4 loaves cost 1,000 francs. Find k by dividing 1,000 over 4 equals 250 per loaf. 7 loaves cost 7 times 250, which is 1750 francs. Many students get this wrong. The ratio 2 to 3 is not the same as 3 to 2. Always write the quantities in the exact order given in the question. Remember the word SAP, simplify the ratio, add the parts, portion each share. And for percentages, part over whole times 100. Repeat it like a song. Great work today. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more lessons just like this one. Visit ovasaabi.com and keep learning. See you next time.